Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll look at what microbit is and why your kids should learn about microbit. So microbit is a small hardware programmable device which has an LED screen, two buttons, light, Bluetooth and many more. And what you can do is using your laptop or computer, you can program this device. So what it really teaches your kids is how a computer software and a hardware works together and how you can run those software on a hardware, which is a really valuable skill. Now you can either purchase this microbit for yourself or you can use a platform called Microsoft MakeCode. So Microsoft MakeCode is a free open source platform for creating engaging computer science experiences. And what it offers is a block editor and a simulator. So with the block editor you can write your code, and once you run those code, that code is actually run on a simulator which shows you the output. Now Microsoft MakeCode has two flavors, online or offline. So if you want to run all of your programs offline, you can simply install the MakeCode microbit app on your PC, which looks something like this. Or if you want to run your program online, you can simply go to makecode.microbit.org. Now, another thing about microbit is that you can use different programming languages. You can either use a block-based programming language, JavaScript, or Python. Now, this course focuses on kids, so we'll be using block-based programming language. So in the next tutorial, we'll look microbit in more depth. We'll see how to create a new project. We'll look at some of the basic blocks and we'll write a very simple program. So join me in the next tutorial.